So, hi guys, today I'll be unveiling the software that I've been working on for the past 2 months now, even if it's not up to 3 months, I think. Yeah, so the software is called formtap first. So, what is this software for? The software is for businesses, for small business and big businesses and enterprise. So, it's for both of them. So what can it help businesses? So the way it can help business is you can use the software to collect feedback. So what is FormTap? FormTap is a software that you can use to collect feedback and complain for your businesses. And also with those complaints and feedback, the software, the AI feature that is inside the software helps you to to analyze those feedback and complaint to make business decision for you. So it will tell you what to do based on the feedback you receive and the complaint you receive. So how can you use this software? I'll be showing you guys how this software works. So you put from tab. You don't have an account, you create an account. If I have an account, so let me just sign in. So you log in after you sign in. Actually, I have one form there already that I just created not long ago. So this is it will onboarding process. After completing the onboarding process, let me cancel the upload have completed. So after completing the onboarding process, go to the form section, click on create form. So you can select a template or start from scratch. So I'm going to be selecting a template. Let me select this one. So this is it. For if you want to add any custom feed, you can add it, but I'm not adding any custom feed. And also I don't want this watermark to be there. Actually, if you are using free plan, you won't be able to remove this, but I'm using the business plan. So I want to remove this custom branding. I want to add my own. So add your own. Add my website link. Add my website link. Then anything else. Yeah, you add your email. After that, what else? And now I don't want to ask for the name. You want to ask for the name or email, and email you can by selecting this page to pop up. Oh, I don't need it. I don't need it. I think okay, let me just add it. So I think that's all. Then you click on create form. So this is the form. Which one is it? I think this is it. Okay, this is the form. Then you click on QR code. You can, for business plan, you can upload your own logo. You can upload your logo here. So let me show you guys how to upload your logo. Let me upload the sample logo here for you guys to see. I don't have to use this number. Let me use this favicon. I'll use this favicon. So I think, let me see how it looks like. I think I love it like this. So let me save it. Saved. Then either you share this link. Excuse me, please. So you can copy this link and send it to wherever you want to send it to, or download this QR code and send it to wherever you want to send it to. That's all. Then when people scan it, they'll be able to submit feedback. So that's all. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Late night.
nights, keyboard lights. We ride or die with the code. Yeah,